Hey Forex traders, here's Roy coming here from Vintageducation.com. I wanted to show you how you can actually make a 9% profit in just 1 hour's worth of trading every single day trading the Forex markets. So what you can see here, this is another screenshot I've quickly taken from my private Forex group to just show you more results from my students. And it's actually funny because this is another new student basically who's hit the ground running, following my materials, and obviously is off to the races. Now it's interesting because again there's so many different things I can show you out of this to help you understand more about how to be successful as a Forex trader. So this is Bernard. He's one of my new students, and you can kind of see that already from his own self-proclamations in his message. Okay, you can see it for yourself that this isn't no lie or anything like that. This is a guy who's literally just been trading this way. This is his first week, and this is what he's able to do when a successful Forex trader is actually telling you exactly what to do. So this is Bernard, and this is what he posted in our group. He says, "Hi Israel, here is my trade on the Euro AUD from yesterday. That appears very similar to David's chart." Okay, so David posted a video of his trade in the group where it was a profitable trade. This was it was pretty much the same trade, but he actually got in a better trade overall. Okay, so it's actually funny because look what he says here. He says, "This is my first week of trading this style." Okay, so what did you like in your first week of investing in my Forex course and trading the way I trade to make a 9+% profit return? Okay, and the great thing about this is we're talking about making up to $900 a day or more trading the Forex markets. Okay, it's just that simple. This is what we're talking about. This is the kind of power I'm helping people acquire for their own selves so they can actually provide for their family. Okay, this is the kind of thing. Okay, now this is great because he talks about so much different stuff which you can see for yourself, and I can kind of help you understand why this is so important. So look what he says. So he says he attempts to take just 1 to 2 trades a day basically, and that's what I recommend. You don't need to take loads of trades, and why would you? When you can get these kind of trades, you only need to take 1 or 2 trades a day. Okay, look what he says. He tries to do this each morning, and look what this is key here, using 2% or less risk. So he's listening to what I say in my materials. Don't trade with more than 2% risk on any trade. Okay, look what he says. He's trading for just 1 hour. Okay, between 5:30 and 6:30. So you'll see in different videos from me and other my students, it's any time of the day. Okay, so you can trade this way any time of the day. It doesn't even matter. So it fits your lifestyle. Even if you work 9 to 5, even if you work extremely long hours, like 80 hours a week, or even if you're in my position right now where I literally trade from home, I can stay at home all day, do whatever I want basically. This works. Okay. Now look what he says, and you can read this all for yourself, but I'm just going to highlight key parts that I think are really beneficial to you. So he's literally breaking down how he entered the trade. You can see here the snapshot. This black line was where he entered, his red line was the risk, and his green line all the way down there was the profit. Okay, so look what he says. Okay, and I'll break certain stuff down. Now bear in mind he's a beginner, so he hasn't fully grasped everything about what I teach, and you can see that in what he's saying, okay, and some of the things he's describing. So for example, he talks a lot about support and resistance, and I don't personally talk a lot about support and resistance in my Forex course, okay, but some of the things I'm breaking down, he's associating them as support and resistance. But as he goes on, he'll learn more and more. Okay, but look what he says. I want to pick this out as well. He talks about once he decided this was an area that he was going to trade from, it's about entering the market. So he talks about here, look, he entered manually and he noticed the shooting star on a 1 minute chart. So this is where I'm talking about he'll get better and better, because I don't actually recommend traders using 1 minute charts. I do talk about going down to lower time frames to get the best entry possible, but I never say go as low as 1 minute. Okay, and he kind of realizes that within himself, okay, and what he says, and you can read it for yourself as well. So it's at that point, and I kind of said this to him already, okay, don't go down to 1 minute charts. If you want to go low, you can go lower than a 15-minute chart. This is a 15-minute chart. You can go lower than that, but don't go to a 1 minute chart. But at the end of the day, he's still learning, so you're not going to hold too much against him. But look what he says, okay. He says, my stop loss was set at 140.27. This worked out to 4.6 to 1. Okay, so look what he says. One trade, so he took one trade in one day. Okay, it was 60 pip target for a 13 pip stop loss. So you do the quick math quickly, you're talking about, as he's put here, 4.6 to 1. Okay, so you're talking about a 9+% return on investment. Okay, this is a guy this is his first week trading what I'm teaching him to trade, and he's already bagged a 9% profit. Okay, now he's obviously, like I said, he's a beginner, and you can see that from his own comments as well. But he says, look, I'm not sure how great the chart looks. This is a good example of doing your analysis on the chart. You're showing your entry line, you're showing your stop loss, you're showing your entry, you're showing your target zone. Okay, and he's obviously, you can see he's excited. He says he plans to post more trades in the future, and obviously he's really, look what he says as well. He said he really enjoyed my course, and he's looking forward to working hard to get good at this. Okay, so if you're not looking to work hard at trading and actually be successful, then look, just click X on this video. I can't help you. Okay, but for those of you who are literally serious about forex trading, okay, you can see again, this is another example. You can see loads of these kind of things on my channel. Okay, this is another student. This is his first week trading the way I've teach him to trade, and he's already bagged at 9% profit. If you want these kind of results where you can risk minimal amounts of your account, okay, minimal percentage risk, but you can make good return on investment, you can make good profit targets in just one day. Okay, this is a few hours. Okay, and he's realized his profit. So you're talking about making a 9% profit in one day trading the forex markets the way I do. If that's what you're interested in, then click the link below this video. You're going to get a link that you can actually go and actually enter your information into the order form, and you can actually purchase my course materials. You'll get access to my private forex community, lifetime access as well, so you can obviously interact with other students like Bernard as well, and obviously just all grow together. Okay, as we are doing. Okay, so if you want to learn how to trade the forex markets like this, you can make 9% profits in one day, in a few hours, trading the way I do, risking small amounts of capital. Then click the link, the first link in the description below. Get my forex course, and I look forward to helping you trade the forex markets the right way. Now, if you're not serious, I'm not interested in you becoming my students. I don't want your money. This isn't just bring as many people in as possible. That's not what I want. I only want people that are serious and dedicated to the forex markets, and dedicated to listening to me as the educator and allowing me to show you how to trade the forex markets. If that's what you're interested in, if you want me to show you and shepherd you how to actually become successful at the forex trading and forex markets, then click the first link in the description box below and let me help you transform yourself into a profitable forex trader. Thanks and take care, and all the best. And I look forward to helping you on your journey to forex success.